In this demo, we're going to look at range of hearing. So we have these metal cylinders that if you tap on it, they will ring at a certain frequency. So as you probably know, the human hearing typically ranges from about 20 to 20,000 hertz. So as we tap these cylinders, these metal cylinders, you should be able to hear the different frequencies. So let's start with the lowest frequency first, and then we'll head towards the higher frequencies, and let's see what happens. So after a while, I can't hear after about there. That seems to be the last point where I can hear the frequency. So it's not the tap that you're trying to look for, it's the buzz, the ringing. So I can hear that, but I cannot hear this. So there's a point where I stop hearing the frequencies as you get further up in the range. So depending on your age, you might have different points where you can hear, but we got to be careful with this video because not everything will be picked up by the mics. So it's better to do this in person to get a sense of what you can actually hear in terms of the frequencies. So the mics might not pick up certain frequencies as I tap them. But this is a demo that illustrates the various range of human hearing from the lowest to the highest frequencies.